My father was an only child. His mother had had multiple, I don't know what, stillbirths, miscarriages, bad luck in having other children. And so she only had this one child, my father. One of the most amazing things that I could never get over is that she was afraid that the Malach HaMovis, the angel of death, would see him and take him away from her because she had lost these other children. And so in order to trick the Malach HaMovis, she didn't talk to him for the first year of his life. I mean, she must have talked to him, like some little instructions or something, but she tried not to speak to him to see if that would somehow bring some luck. It's an extraordinary thing. Every time I think about it, that he developed into a sort of reasonably normal person is just incredibly powerful thing to me.